Hello students. So now today we'll study the topic social networking of lesson 6 computer networking. Okay. So in the present scenario due to the hectic schedules people hardly get enough time to socialize with friends and relatives. So this is things that in today's scenario every person is busy in earning their livelihood. So they are not getting enough time to meet their friends and relatives. So, what they are doing nowadays, they are interacting with their friends and relatives on the social networking websites. So, these social networking websites are a solution to this problem. That is the one type of the problem. If you not meet with your friends and relatives, maybe they will be not happy with you. So, they have some complaints against you. So, to remove this complaint or to eliminate this complaint, we have to engage with them on the social networking website. So this social networking is the grouping of individuals into specific groups. So the social networking is a group of the individuals. Many persons are joining on the group. Those who have the same interest and same taste. Means the persons in the group share common interest or activities. If suppose any person so interest is not in that group, so they after some time after 1 month or after 1 year, whenever they thought that their interest do not matches with the group, so they left the group. So these social networking websites help people in establishing social relationships and function like an online community of the internet users. These social networking websites help the people. So how these social networking websites help the people to uh, create a social relationship and it also works like an online community of the internet users. So this is a community of the persons who are using. Community means you can say a group of the people, a society of the people who are using internet. So in a social networking website, every user has a profile which contains information about them. Yes, you can see their profile. Profile gives the information about the user, about the person, what is their name, from where they belongs, and what are their hobbies, and what are their schoolings, what so all the informations and about their uh, jobs, means activities, what they are doing at present. So the users can also join communities in these sites where they can share photos, messages, and videos. So on this group, on the social networking website, a person can share photo, message, and videos. They have the facility of inviting the other people also. Yes, on the social networking website, the facility is also to invite your friends, to invite the persons to join this group. In addition, user profiles often have a select section. User profiles have a section dedicated to comments from friends and other users. So every user profiles have a section to comment from the friends, so their friends and the other users of the group can write their comments on their profile. In order to protect user privacy, these websites usually have controls that allow users to choose those who can view their profile, contact them, and add them to their list of contacts and so on. So this means that to protect the privacy of the user, the websites have the functionality, means have the provides the options that user can controls that the person can allow the users to choose those who can view their profile, those who can see their profile. So if they were mention that only friends, means whose friend request you have accepted, only those persons can view their profile. So only those persons only can see the profile who are whose friend request is accepted by the user. So third person cannot, who is not in the friend list of the user, so a stranger person or the unknown person cannot view the profile of the person. Okay. So now you can see there, contact them and add them to their list of contacts and so on. So the traditional social networking websites usually have an open membership, which implies that anyone can become a member irrespective of their views and interests. So nowadays, large organizations have started using the social networking websites as a medium to create profiles to advertise their products and services. So the traditional social networking websites have an open membership, means anyone can be a member of that, which implies that anyone can be a member of irrespective of their views and interests. So there are also many traditional social networking websites that doesn't demands of the common interest. Nowadays, a large organization have started the social networking websites as a medium to create profiles to advertise their products and services. So organizations also creating their profile on the websites to advertise their products and services. So what are the some social networking sites in use? Popular social networking sites in use is the Facebook. First one is the Facebook. As you know, Facebook with nearly 2 billion active users, there are 2 billion users who actively using the Facebook continues to lead the social networking sites. It allows all the registered users to create their profile, post comments, exchange information, share links, photographs, chat, play games. So what they share, all these things they can exchange: photographs, chat, play games, etc. So although initially it was a PC based, so Facebook initially it was the computer based, so we cannot use this Facebook on the mobile. But now Facebook is also available as a pre-installed app on most of the mobile phones and tablets. So at the starting time, initially Facebook is enjoyed only on the computers. Twitter. Next social networking website, Twitter. Messages sent with this app were initially restricted to 140 characters. At the starting time, when this Twitter has invented, so at that time only the message of 140 characters can be tweeted. So this was due to the fact that on the earlier versions of mobile phones, the SMS was limited to, that is the earlier version mobile phones, SMS was limited to 140 characters. Now with the advent of the smartphones, when the smartphones introduced in the market, users began to find this too restrictive. So the Twitter has changed the character limit from 140 to 280, just double. So now we can tweet a character at one time uh, up to 180, up to 280 characters. So not more than that. So today also more than 280 characters you cannot tweet at one time. So you have to tweet in if there suppose your message contains 500 characters, so you have to make a tweet in two parts. Next is the other social networking apps. So Instagram is also the social networking application. Instagram is another application used for social networking. This app specializes in sharing of photographs by the users. So Instagram is used to share the photographs by the users. So over the Instagram, you can share many photos. Next is the LinkedIn is a networking web specializing in the sharing of business and professional information. So any business information or professional information that you can share over the LinkedIn website. Nowadays, LinkedIn is also used to search for the employees and also search for the jobs. So this is also is used. So nowadays, every persons who is seeking job, they register themselves on the LinkedIn website, and the jobs according to their matching profile is shortlisted by this app. And whenever recruiters gives their consent, or we can say they apply for that over the LinkedIn website by registering themselves, that we need such type of persons for our organization, then this LinkedIn website app gives the notification or gives the message to the uh, to the seekers, job seekers, about that available job. Next is the Reddit. Reddit is also a social news aggregation app. So registered users can upload news, stories, or links, and others users can rate these stories by voting them up or down. So on the Reddit application, so first you have to register yourself. After that, you can upload any news or stories or other links. So other person by reading their stories, they will vote them up or down. So the stories in the most of votes are moved to the top of the category. So which stories will got most votes, most you can say more number of votes. So that stories will be popular in the world, will become popular. So see, these are the symbols of the social networking website. This is the symbol of the Instagram. This is the symbol of the LinkedIn, and this is the symbol of the Reddit. Okay, now today the whole world is connected through the internet, where the latest information can be shared and spread. So with the increase of different media channels and the portability of the new telecommunication and computing technologies, we have stepped into a world where media constantly surround us. This means today the whole world is connected with the internet. Yes, whole world is connected with the internet every day. Every person's, almost you can say, in the world about 90% of the persons are using mobiles. So this means all are connected with the internet. So where the latest information can be shared and spread. Nowadays, every person is up to date. They are aware of the uh, latest news. They are aware of the latest incidents. Now, with the increase of the different media channels and the portability of the new telecommunication, so there are so many channels also there, and and there are the we also have the services of the portability of the new telecommunication, that we can switch from one internet service provider to the other internet service provider by having the same number. And computing technologies, we have stepped into a world where media surrounds us. So, okay. So, this is all for today, students. Now, in the next class, we will study about the data and information. Okay. So, thank you for your kind attention.